Okay, I'm working on the BMW 2023 X5. How to remove the door handle. Okay, simple. You have to get a T15 just like this. You gotta have it just like this. It has to go in there and it has to go through that, and it has this screw right there, and you have to screw it counterclock until it goes to the end, and then just pop the door handle out. See, that's where when you put it on, you just need to go to, like if you are tightening, and you're gonna lock the door handle. So to take it off, you need to go to the left side, and there you go. It's gonna be free. That's why you need the screwdriver. It's very thin. So that's the way you get it out. Okay. All right. Hope this helped you. God bless you.